Yo, I just got my first order of the day. This is for Tammy's Bleeping Kitchen. I have no idea where this is. I've never been there, never even heard of it, but I believe it said like $11 going 5 miles, so why not? Looks like it's just a little food truck, so hopefully it's ready. Thank you. Just got this McDonald's order, $7 going 2 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. All right, next order up is a Walmart order. This one is $20 going 8 miles. So if this comes out on time, this should be a really good order. I mean, it's pretty clear, full parking lot, nobody's come out yet. Order's not gonna be ready anytime soon. I don't know why everyone's just waiting. So I know I'm not gonna be waiting there. $22 going about 11 miles. I think it's 2 pickups going to the same person. First one is for Angels, and I believe the second one is IHOP. Just this? Thank you. I thought it would take a little bit longer than that, so I'm not sure if this IHOP order is going to be ready. Thank you. You too. Just got my next order. This is for Muchas Gracias. $9 going 4 miles. And I also just got the DoorDash glitch where my pause timer is going to continue running even though I'm not paused, which means my dash is going to end in about 30 minutes no matter what I do. So there goes my DoorDash shift for the day. I mean, not like I was getting orders from them anyways, but still, it's nice to have the option. Hello for Lacey.
H?
Yes.
There you go.
Oh, it does have a drink, okay.
Yeah, that's just fine. You can, yep. Wherever.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. Just got my next order. This is for IHOP. $8 and some change going 2 miles. Thank you. You too. Next order up is a stack for Starbucks. This is $10 and some change going about 3.5 miles. This place looks very busy, so this might be a while.
Did you have Allie as well?
Yeah.
This is a food item that didn't get put in there.
For Allie.
Yeah, I can take them together for you.
No, it's fine. Thank you.
Got it.
Just gonna take a picture. You're not in it.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. Just got this McDonald's order. This is $8 and some change going 2 miles.
073, right?
Yeah.
There we go.
Thank you. Just got another McDonald's order. This one is $9 going 3 miles.
Uber?
225.
225?
Yep. Thank you.
DoorDash?
D53.
Finally got my next order. This is a Popeyes $9 and some change going 5 miles.
Thank you.
Thank you. You too. Perfect. There we are.
Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you.
Have a good one. You too. All right, I got my next order. This is Red Robin, $12 going a mile. This is most likely not ready, so we'll see how long it takes. Thank you. Not that I pick up from there a lot, but I think that was the first time ever that my order's been ready on time. Well, they finally let me onto DoorDash and I got an order. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $7.75 going under 2 miles, 3 items. This. And then just scribble on that line for me.
Okay. There you go.
Good enough for me. I think I'm just gonna call it here because I am starving. Kind of a weird day today because I only did one DoorDash order at the end of my shift. Current time is 11:54. Current total is 104. And I have 2 Uber tips yet to come in. So let's say like 110, 115. Not the greatest, but like I said, I only used one app for most of the day, so what can you do? Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.